The Easy Web Content Photo Gallery add-on is a great tool that you can use to create professional and interactive photo albums and photo galleries directly on your website. For example, you can use the different themes and different templates that are available within the Easy Web Content Photo Gallery system, add your own images, and in a very interactive manner, present those photos directly to your audience. Let me show you how you can easily do that. If you're within the Easy Web Content HTML editor, you will go to the add-ons and widgets to locate your add-on. In this case, this would be the photo gallery, and then you will click it. If you're using the Easy Web Content Site Builder, you will go to Content, Goodies, and you will find the gallery, and you can drag and drop it directly to your page. In this case, I've already dragged the gallery into my page, so I'm going to double click it and launch the photo gallery add-on. So in this case, I have not created a gallery before, so I'm going to click on the new gallery, enter a gallery name. In this case, I want to create a gallery about different kinds of cheese, so I'm going to call it Cheese Gallery, and this will launch the photo gallery manager. So here there are two completely different templates that I can choose from. We have the classic gallery and the wall gallery. You can choose either one, and each one is available in a variety of different sizes. So the 670 by 400, that's 670 pixels wide by 400. I'm going to, in this case, select a third size, this one, and then I will click select this template. So now I am inside the customized design area. I have a template loaded here with some images that are default just to show me what the gallery will look like. In this case, it is a horizontal scroll with the thumbnails at the top, and on the right side is where I can fully customize my design. There is a number of options available here. There's presets which I can select from to change the look and feel, the color scheme of the actual template. So I'm selecting here another one, Rust. I think what I will do is I will go ahead with the Chrome, start with that. You can always come back and adjust that later. And of course there is a number of other additional options here. I'm just going to play with a couple of them. Of course you can use each of these to further customize the design. For example, I'm going to go to the thumbnail settings and I'm going to increase the thumbnail size, and if you notice that it is automatically sizing them, and I'm also reducing the spacing in this case so I can see more images there. I can also change my scroll bar color. Let's go ahead and choose this. So as you can see, it has updated it there. And the fonts, let's go maybe try a Garamond font. That doesn't look very good, so let's go with the Tahoma. It's a little bit better, and I can always increase the font size if I need to. I'm going to stick with the normal so I don't affect the layout in a different way. So there we are. And by the way, I could even include music if I wanted to. I could manage music and then upload my own MP3 music, control the volume, and be able to present music while the gallery is playing. In this case, I'm going to turn it off. And if I wanted to, I could go back to the select theme and actually switch to another size. So let's see what happens if I switch to this size, and then I went to the customized line. And here's what it would look like. But I'm going to go back and switch to the original size I wanted. I think that will fit better within the area of my web page. So I'm back here in the customized design, and I would like to go ahead and start populating my gallery and start uploading some photos into it and see how it looks. So the first thing I need to do is the gallery allows you to have different categories within the album. So I'm going to create a new album, which really is defined as a new category. I'm going to just call it Cheese Photos. And I have the option to upload an image for it if I choose to. In this case, I'm going to go ahead. So I will go ahead and select this image, and I will submit it. So there it is. I've created the category Cheese Photos. Now I would like to go edit the album, which is the area I will use to add images within the album. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Add New Image. And this is where I will name my image. I will just basically give it a title, cheese. Description is optional. I'm going to go ahead and apply an image. So I will select this image, enter a description as well, and go ahead and submit so it can upload. And so there's our first image, and I can basically follow this process as many times as needed to upload additional images, and that's what I will do. So here's another image, blue cheese. And upload, browse for the next file. And there it is. And I will submit. And it can take anywhere between a couple seconds to longer depending on the size of your images. Of course, you do not want to upload very large images, and you want to make sure that it is in JPEG or JPEG. And I will follow this process a few more times to upload images. So here I have gone ahead and uploaded the number of images, and you can see them here. I can even modify the order. I can move up or down. I would like to go ahead and add another category of images. So I will go back to categories, and I can create another album. So I've entered an album name and an image, and I will submit that to create the category. And I can go ahead and edit the album and go ahead and add additional images within this new album that I did. And so I've gone ahead and populated this additional album with a few more photos. And so I'm pretty much done now for uploading images. Of course, you can come back at any other time, create additional albums, and add more photos or edit existing. And at this time, the next step really is just to publish the gallery and insert it to your page. So I'm going to go to that step, and I'm going to go ahead and preview it by clicking on this link and see how my photo gallery looks before I insert it to my page. So I will click, and there we go. There is our gallery with the photos I added. And so I can see the photo loading, and there's my gallery. And I can go ahead and switch to the other album. I created another category called Uses of Cheese, and I had uploaded images there as well. And I can see my gallery and works. So what I would like to do is go ahead and make a couple of more tiny changes to my template. Let's go to Customize Design, and now you will see that the actual gallery with all my assets that I had uploaded is showing in, so I can see exactly what it looks like. And here I can go in and make additional adjustments. For example, what I would like to do is add a tiny border around this template. So I select this, and there's a little tiny border I've added around it. And I would also like to do is disable the background, and that is called a photo frame. So I can go ahead, and by default it is a yes. I'm going to make it a no. So there it is. I've just gone ahead and turned it off, and I think that looks a little bit cleaner. At this time I think I'm okay, and I would like to go ahead and publish the gallery. I'm going to go ahead and save the changes. And so we're going to click on Insert Update to Page, and it's going to directly update into my page here. And so there it is. I've inserted it to my page, and if I notice, there is a little bit of an alignment issue here. The gallery appears all the way to the left, and the text is here, and I don't think that's going to look very good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead here. In this case, I'm in a site builder, so I'm going to click on the Edit Appearance, and I'm going to just use a little cheat method here, typically meant for text alignment, but I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and that will automatically right justify my gallery into this area of the page. And what I would like to do is do a tiny more adjustment. I will go to the spacing, and I want to give it some padding from the right side. So there we go. I'm going to move it enough so that the left edge is touching the text, and I think this will look pretty good. So let's go ahead and preview this. So there we go. We can see our gallery right in the page, and it looks pretty good to me. And I can do is I can click, and there it is. We have our photo gallery inserted to our page. And this is how easily you can create your photo gallery and go back at any time and fully customize, adjust it, add more photos, and within a matter of a few minutes you've got a great feature to add to your site. And of course you can create multiple galleries, add them to different pages, This is all included within the Easy Web Content add-on system. Thank you.